Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's set is going to be a freestyle nail art set. I was on Pinterest looking for inspo and I saw a lot of sets similar to this one that I did today, so that's where I got my inspo from. So I started by just adding all of my base colors to each nail that they go to. So for my thumb, middle finger, and pinky, I decided to just do a nude base color because those three, well, the thumb and pinky are going to be French tips, and then if you've seen the thumbnail, so you saw that my middle finger, you can also see the base color as well. And then for my index finger and ring finger, I chose different colors, and you'll see them when I get to those fingers.
Cause my house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out.
I didn't like the way that the base color that I chose looked, so I did change it, so that's why it looks different.
Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways.
I also want to say that I did do 2 coats of this blue color because it was kind of still sheer or see-through, so I didn't want that, so I decided to do 2 coats.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life.
For the design that I'm doing on my index finger, I didn't have the exact color that I wanted, so I decided to mix an orange color and then also a light brown color because I'm doing a tortoise shell design, and if you've seen those, then you know that there's a specific color that is used, or at least there's a specific color that I wanted, so I'm just mixing those two.
Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So for the tortoise shell design, you are going to need blooming gel. So what you're going to do is, this is basically, you're just doing it in layers. So right now I am setting out my 2 colors that I'm going to be using. So for the tortoise shell design, you are going to be needing 3 colors. You're going to need your base color, then you're going to need a light brown or dark brown depending on the look that you want, and then you're going to need black. So you're first going to add a layer of blooming gel, and you are not going to cure it just yet. And then you're going to take a dotting tool, and you're going to start with your brown color first. So you're just going to dip the dotting tool in the brown color, and then you're going to put the brown spots in wherever you want them to be. Just don't put them too close together because you are using blooming gel, so the spots are going to expand on their own.
My love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Once you've cured that for 60 seconds, make sure it is 60 seconds, you're going to add another layer of blooming gel, and you're going to do the same thing that you did with the brown gel, except you're going to use the dotting tool in the black gel and place the black dots directly on top of the spots where you put the brown gel.
My love, my love, my love. And the love of woman that can take your spot, my love.
Are you high right now?
For my ring finger, I am just taking a liner brush and some black gel polish, and I'm just making a border around the nail. You can make your border however thin or thick you want. It just depends on the look that you're going I just want to say that if you want very straight lines when it comes to any type of line art, not even just this design here that I'm doing, when it comes to any type of nail art, whatever, if you want crisp, clean, straight lines, the key to that is having and using a very, very thin liner brush. The thinnest liner brush that you can get it, because having a thin liner brush definitely helps with your nail art, your nail lines, whatever. Basically, I'm doing the same thing on my middle finger that I just did on my ring finger, except instead of just leaving it at a border, I'm going to be adding 3 circles to it, and you'll see what I'm talking about once I get to that step.
Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Look at her. Look at the woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time.
For my pinky, I'm doing zebra stripes, and if you are doing zebra stripes, just try not to think too much about it, because zebra stripes on an actual zebra, they aren't perfect, so neither should these be, unless that's just what you want.
I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not.
Now for my ring finger, I didn't want to leave it like it is. I wanted to add a kind of ombre effect to it, and I know that you can do this with an airbrush, but I don't have an airbrush, so I am going to be doing it with blooming gel. So what you do is you put blooming gel only on the blue part. Do not put blooming gel on the black part, because you don't want the darker blue color to get on the black part. You want it to stay on the lighter blue color, if that makes sense. So I just took a dotting tool, and then I didn't put a dot on the nail. I kind of just put the color where I wanted it to ombre. I don't know how to explain it. But I hope I'm making sense, or you guys can kind of see what I'm doing from just watching. And I'm doing the same thing to my thumb, except I'm not putting it directly in the center. I'm going to do it on different parts of the French. So when you're putting the blooming gel on the French, just make sure it stays on the French, because you don't want the darker blue color to get on the part that's not the French.
I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you lonely.
Even though I'm not done with this set yet, I decided to put the top coat on right now, because the last few steps, it doesn't require me to put top coat on top of that, so I just went ahead and put top coat on.
Found out Watch it out so far. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave me lonely.
I'm using rhinestone glue to do the water drop effect. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's basically where you just take rhinestone glue, or basically any type of clear gel, I guess. I just decided to use rhinestone glue. And you basically just put it onto the nail and cure it while it looks like water drops. I have to say that this is my favorite set that I've ever done on myself. I feel like I did a really good job. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.